Hey, what's up guys, Johnny5Stitch here, and welcome back to Fallout 4. So, where are we? We are in the middle of the CORVEGA assembly plant, where all hell broke loose, and I used my minigun to take out all these motherfuckers. So, let's continue our adventure, continue checking this place out, see what we can find, and then, yeah, hopefully we can complete this mission. I'm sure we will. I don't see why not. What's going on? Oh, that's the, man, they were pretty geared up. Like, I just lone wolfed it by myself and took them all out. Baseball glove. Assault gas mask. What's this? Biometric scanner? Damn it to heck, now I'm carrying too much. This is a problem I'm consistently having, and I don't enjoy it. 50. I'm almost done with my minigun. Should I just drop it? But even still, if I drop it, I could, or if I don't drop it, I could sell it later on. I'll drop those. Oh, they're worth 20 each. For only being £1, I should keep a hold of those. What should I get rid of then? Bolt action rifle? Screw it, I don't need it. Alright, welcome to Robco Industries Caravan. What is this? Took down another caravan today, hell yeah. That makes 3 in a month. To top it off, Freddy came by with good news and another caravan is heading our way. Says he spotted some guards, but it's mostly civilians. They even got an old broad dressed like a fortune teller and some joker in a cowboy hat. Gonna ask Jared for some more men and take this caravan down. That fucking hat is mine. Wow, that's all he cares about. He's like, I want that damn hat. Can I turn this online? No. Okay. Well, that was very informative. Coffee cup. Any more adhesive? Light bulb. I don't know why I'm grabbing all the light bulbs I find, but oh well. CORVEGA key. Nice. Molotov. Bolt action rifle. Don't need it. Novice. Ooh, explosives box. Keep it straight, maybe? Yep, okay.
Got it.
Fragment grenade, fragment mine. Cool. Ammo. Give me that ammo. Shotgun shells. 308. Or 38. Cool. That's it. Did we level up yet? No. Must be close though, eh? Stat. Yeah, we're pretty close. Oh man, I could have used those. Oh well. I can't use this. Can I use this? Yes, I can. Coolant cap. I'll take one, I guess, but I don't really know what they're for. Geez, they had quite the living area here. They were all set up. I don't think I was around here, was I? No, I wasn't yet. Damn, look at this. What's this little robot? Uh-oh. Oh, we got more. More company. Who else? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, let's do this. Go to inventory. Minigun time. There we go. Okay, let's go back to our pistol. Okay, we can barely see him. Oh god. Right in the head. Or not. I'll take that. Whoa, shotgun, please. Yep. Can I get him from here? Oh shit, I need to reload. Oh, awesome. Hell yeah. Okay, whoa, 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 hold up. I need some help. Let's go here. There we go. Oh, it's a turret. Shit, I need more help. Friggin' turret. Okay, let's get the minigun again. Actually, first I need aid. Holy hell. Okay. Jeez, this place doesn't give up. HP. Sure. I'll eat a sweet roll. Why not? Silt bean. Rad roach meat. And I can still use a bit more, I think. Mole rat meat. There we go. And then minigun. Where is it? There it is. Hell yeah. Okay, so we're out of ammo for this thing. So let's get rid of this. There we go. Who's next? What is that sound? Is that another turret?
Playing games with me, huh?
Oh, is it a... Oh, God. Is it a guy in a suit? Oh, shit. I think it is. Okay, let's go over here.
Fucking hide from me? You're dead.
Okay, Oh, God. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Oh, God. I'm not in a good spot right now. Push the button. There we go. Okay, I need something for this guy. Fragmentation grenade. Let's try it. Why am I not throwing a grenade? RB, right? Tap RB. Where's the grenade? There we go. What's wrong with you? Stim pack. Sorry, bro. I didn't realize you were in rough shape. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Did I get him? Oh, yeah. So we completed it. Kill the raiders at the CORVEGA plant. Done. So that was the last guy. CORVEGA safe key. Yes, thank you. Stim pack. Whoa, is there someone else? What's this? Jared's terminal. Setting up shops, stumped, subjects. It's not the chems. They're just a trigger for the site. It's me. I'm the problem. Wish I'd realized before my arms took... what? Okay. She's here. Gristle said there's a caravan headed this way. Some joker in a cowboy hat with a laser musket. 3 civilians and 1 frail old woman dressed like a fortune teller. Hey, that looks like... that's probably who we met earlier in the game. I think it is. Experiments continue. Still no success, but the rumor of free chems has brought plenty of new recruits. Ranks are nearly back up to where they were before we cleaned out Lexington. Ronnie thinks it's a waste of time, says we need to spend our time building up our defenses. But Lonnie doesn't make the decisions, I do. She does seem to be enjoying her new position, though. Maybe another dose of Psycho will get her visions firing. Interesting. So this is just a logbook. Spotlight control. Turret control. Error, all clear, admin, raiders. They call themselves raiders. Connected to, deactivate. About your defense system, diagnose. Let's just deactivate. Shutting down. There. That way, there won't be any surprise attacks on me. Setting up, stomped, spotlight controls. Connected, deactivate lights. Okay. Diagnose system, 3 spotlights. No intruder detected. Cool. We don't need that. I don't mind the spotlights though, because it's just a light. Follows me around. No big deal.
No sign of them now. That's what I'm worried about. Come on, it's over. They must.
Oh, he's hiding.
What is that?
There's still another raider. How did I get them all? If there's some right there. There we go. Oh god, I'm shooting the wall. Frick's sakes. Yeah, got him right in the arm. Who else is next? I got the high ground, bitches. You're screwed. Wait, really? Oh, thanks, dog meat. Good job. I'll take that. Submachine gun. Oh, baby. I'm pumped about that. Let me see it. Where is it? Where is it? Submachine gun. Submachine gun. Where are you? There we go. 10 damage. Looks like a little Tommy gun. Sort of. 86. Because it takes 45s. I don't think I have anything else that takes 45s. So let's put that right, what's this? Molotovs. Right there, I guess. And I'm currently 10 over my capacity here. So what can I drop? I don't have any ammo for this, but it has a lot of value. But it would give me so much extra weight. Okay, I'm gonna have to just drop it. Yeah.
Man, come back. I was having fun.
Fuse? Sure, why not? You were having fun? What is that? Protection. Protectron. I think, okay, that's... Oh, Grognak!
Yes.
Yes. Critical hits with unarmed or melee attacks permanently increased to 5% damage. 5% plus damage. What an awesome cover. That's friggin' awesome. Okay, yes, I'll take it. Okay, oh! Hello. Bottle caps. Quick calibrated pipe rifle. Lightweight tempered raider chest piece. Let me see what the difference is. My chest piece does 5 and 12. Lightweight raider 5 and This one is better in a way. It has less energy resistance, but I don't know. I'll just keep it for now. Quick calibrated pipe rifle. I'll take that too. I'll probably have to get rid of it later because I'm gonna soon run out of space carrying capacity. Okay, I can't go any further here. So let's go down here. Oh, there's a control panel icon over there. What the hell was that?
See, This is bullshit.
Oh, pipe pistol. Where is this guy? I hear him. What do we got over here? Anything? Just looks like a bunch of junk. Oh, what do we have here now? Dinner tray. Vodka. Do we need vodka? I don't think so. No. Oh, nothing in there. I don't think. No. I still have no idea where this guy is that's talking. So let's go over here near the icon. Commonwealth, okay. So, we completed the goal, though. There was one guy left, but, I mean, it says we completed it. We killed all the raiders. Supposedly, I guess. Even though some showed up as soon as we completed it, but... whatever. So, do we go back to... okay, it's all chained up now. Chain activate. Weird. Cedar baseball bat. I'm taking that. That's awesome. That's the first time I've seen a baseball bat. Wow. So we just walked into this whole establishment and just fucked shit up. Oh, what? You guys want some too? Come get some then. I'm gonna critical your friend there. She gets up. Good job, dog meat. Take that. Whoa, who else is... Excuse me, don't shoot my dog. Oh, there's another guy. There we go. Critical. There we go. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, hell yeah. Leveled up. Oh, you're going to be over there. I'm coming after you. That's what's up, man. Now you know. Seriously? Where? What is this? Reinforcements? What do you got? Take that. Oh, you're up there. I don't know if I can shoot you from here. Can I throw a grenade up there? Whoops. Nope. I guess not. Where the hell am I getting shot from now? I want to throw a grenade up there. Damn it. Go up here? Okay, yeah, you know what you're doing, dog meat. Seriously? Yeah, got him. Now, where's this coming from? There we go. Oh, yeah. That is not going to hit him. Okay, you're next, you're next. Holy hell. Seriously? Mini nuking me? Not cool. Not cool. I got a piece of him. Do I have a better weapon I can use? Something with a little more, I don't know, range? I am actually doing pretty good with the pistol I have. I just want to see if I have something with better sight. Quick calibrated pipe rifle. Do you have any sort of better sights on you? Let's try it. No.
Yeah.
Damn it! Oh, you're up there. I've had enough of this guy right here. I really want to get a grenade in there. Shit, I just can't. I'll get these guys eventually. There we go. There we go. Now you're down. Are you dead yet? Oh my god. Come on, bring it. Come on. Come on. Dick. He's almost dead though. So close. Finally. That was a good spot. Okay, somebody else, but I don't know where he is. Let's go up here. I'm hoping that guy up here had a good gun. That's why I'm making the trek. Shotgun. He was up here with a friggin' shotgun. How smart is that? What is it? What is this? Oh. Some drugs. Yeah, I'll take all that. So I don't know where the other dude is. That's okay though. Alright, dog meat, let's go back down. We completed our mission! Even though they still keep coming at us. Oh god, oh god. Oh, that was lucky. Alright, let me just get some health here. Aid. Let's get some, a melon. Let me see that. Just a regular old melon. Okay, I'll do some potato crisp, this. And probably a stim pack as well. There. We should be good now. Okay, now let's go to our data. So, report your success to the settlers at the 10 Pines Bluff. Okay, awesome. So now we have to make our track all the way back there and let them know how successful we were. I was able to take out the leader of the nearby raider gang. They should no longer be a threat to anyone. I need to return to the settlement and let them know they're safe. I don't know who the leader was, but apparently among all of that chaos, we took out the leader. So that's cool. Alright, this is a good place to stop it for now, guys. We just finished up with this friggin' plant. And took out the reinforcements. Anything in here? Oh, there is. I'll take all that. Why not? Too bad I couldn't give... I'll take the beer, actually. Oh, shit. Seriously? Well, you know what? Occasion like this calls for a beer. Where is the beer? Where is it? There we go. Yeah. Oh, bottle cap added. Okay. Yeah, let's stop it for now. When we come back, we're going to go back to the settlement. Let them know that we killed everybody. And hopefully they give us some caps. Because we are a fiend for the caps. Alright guys, till next time. Later on.